RAM means random access memory. RAM acts as a temporary storage. When the RAM is accessed, it is accessed very fast, but when the device powers off, the data memory is lost. RAM is used by a computer the same way sticky notes are used by us. We write down information for the time we need it, but when we are finished with it, we either throw it away or write it down somewhere permanently. ROM. ROM is a read-only memory. This data cannot be edited when saved. RAM is referred to being non-volatile, whereas RAM is volatile. The device can be turned off and the data can be saved. ROM is like the DNA of the computer. It stores down pre-written information about how to work and function, but cannot be changed.
RAM connects to the CPU and helps it to run its programs faster than it would normally. But there are many different types of RAM for each component of the computer, and each has different connections. There's RAM connected to the video card called VRAM or Video Random Access Memory. There's also RAM connected straight to the motherboard called SDRAM, which controls how fast the operating system runs. ROM doesn't have many significant connections, but it does connect to the hard drive and CPU to store information for startup.
Where is RAM and ROM located in the computer? RAM is located in these slots that are located next to the CPU on the motherboard. The amount of slots changes from motherboard to motherboard, but there are usually around 4. RAM should be used in pairs for optimal performance, hence the color coding of the RAM slots. The reason for RAM being where it is because for the RAM to work with the other parts of the PC, it needs to be connected to them with buses. Buses are basically just for data transfer. So for RAM to be used, it has to be close to a bus, and the closer it is to the CPU and a bus, the faster the data can travel and be used. ROM is located below the RAM near the middle of the bottom of the motherboard. The reason for this is that it isn't used very often, so it is pushed out of the way for more other important pieces of hardware.
Random access memory is a form of computer data storage that stores data. A RAM is a component in your computer that allows your system to perform many of its everyday tasks, such as load applications, browse the web, edit a spreadsheet in Excel, or experience the realism of the latest game. The RAM is accessible through the computer's brain called the CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit. RAM connects to the CPU and helps it run its programs faster than it would normally.